Hey everybody, Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office. And this is only 4 months out. 4 months post, a lot of guys are worried about what this scar is going to look like afterwards. And you can see that little line right there. That is the scar. So the tiny little line all the way around. I see it right there. So that should easily be hidden with a 3-guard. Again, he's only 4 months out. It still has some maturing to do. But this is kind of, this is sort of what it looks like typically. So a lot of guys get really worried what it's going to look like afterwards, and this is sort of a typical representation. So very easily hidden, at worst with a 3. A lot of guys can even get away with a 2-guard over it, but that's what it looks like. Hope this helps.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.